Diamond Pro Smooth Face is a modern-style retaining wall from Belgard. This stunning and versatile product played a crucial role in the outdoor spaces at Pinhoti Peak, a marvelous mountain home designed by HGTV host and designer Chip Wade.
Having the container pool and the rectilinear structure of the whole house, I really wanted to keep that same geometry cascading down the front while I was picking up grade. The perfect solution was using the Smooth Face Diamond Pro blocks in 90-degree angular cascading terraces. When it's all said and done, sometimes the biggest challenges pose to be the best final product opportunities, because if you address them correctly, it gives you looks that aren't necessarily just off the shelf, but just with a little bit of forethought and design, you can really make some incredible cozy spaces even on the side of a mountain.